trying to dress it. Masaru Mishima, always exploring the use of new ingredients for Japanese cooking. His use of caviar, foie gras, and other Western items has led to eye-opening Japanese dishes. Now he's trying to fend off the time. Time. もし経営者が負けたなら、今度は自分が道場と戦う。いいようですな。確かに簡単なそう断言